Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get what a cell address, how to get a cell address, how to get a cell address. Now this is it. This is Excel environment. Okay. Now, if you look at it very well, we have what we have so many cells here. We have so many cells. This is what this column, this row, and this what this is a cell. Now, when you click on a cell, you see that this particular cell here is active. This is an active cell. When we talk of active cell, this is an active cell. While this one are what inactive. They are not active. You get it now. So when any cell I click on, they are active or they are called active cell. Do you get it? So we call it what active cell. Do you understand? So I'm here to show you the fundamental of the environment. Do you understand? Okay. Now let's say for instance, now I want to highlight this. I can just go ahead and do what highlight it. You get it? This particular column. Now this is it. So get a cell address. Now we have what this particular place here, which you have the A, B, C, D to Z is called what? It's called label. Why this particular place where you have what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to where you want to stop is called what value. You get it now? We call it value and we call this label. So this is it. How to get a cell address is that the combination of label and the combination of what? The combination of label and value gives us what? Give us a cell address. You get it? So when you combine the label and the value, it gives the cell address. Now let us explain further. Now if you look at it very well, you see that in this particular place here, we have what? We have C2. Now look at it. We have what? The label is 2 on the column. Then the what? The row, which is what? The label of the row, and the value of the row is what? Is 2. Do you get it now? So we have what? C2. Now if I drop it here, we have what? C1. Because the column here, under the column, the active cell under the column is what? Is 1. Do you get it now? Now we have here C and we have here 1. Do you get it now? So C and 1 give us what? C1. Now if you look at this particular place here, it's called name box. So if you look at the name box, it's called what? C1. You see this cell address there, C1. So if I relocate to another place, you see H2. Do you get it now? So the label here is H, while the value here is what? Is 2. So the combination of the label and the value produce what? Produce a cell address. Do you get it now for your calculation? Do you understand? Now let's say I want to just perform just a simple calculation. I'll just say equal to C2. C2. Have you seen it now? C2, it has select that particular place. Have you seen it? So the label is C, while the what? The value is 2. Do you get it now? So C2, let's just say multiply by what? H2. Do you get it now? So we have what? C2 and we have H2. So the label and the value, the label and the value, the label here and the value here gives us what? A cell address. Very simple. Cell address is very simple to know. Do you get it now? And this particular place here, we call it what? A formula bar. It is being called a formula bar. Now if you look at the formula bar very well, you see that everything that is being typed here is being what? Displayed on the formula bar. You get it now? So that is how it works. So a cell address is a combination of what? Of label and value together. You get it now? If you combine label and value, it gives us what? A cell address. You get it now? So the cell address of this particular place is what? Is E5. Because the column here, the label under the column here it carries what? The E. While the label under the row here carries what? The 5. So we call it what? E5. You get it now? So that is the cell address of this particular cell, this particular active cell. If you look at the name box very well, it's also displaying E5. Do you get it now? I hope you understand. Anything you don't understand, please ask me in the comment section. Please make sure to subscribe. Thank you.